It's time for another round of sustainable secondhand shopping. September, Saturday sustainable, Saturday secondhand, Saturday shopping. Another installment of our September sustainable buying things secondhand from RealReal. Mostly clothing, because I think that that's the best, in my personal opinion, thing to buy secondhand. Safest, cheapest, most affordable, and best cost saving and best difference between retail and resale price. So if that's something you're interested in, we're gonna do that. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we are doing sustainable secondhand shopping. I am going to unbox these, open them on the talk tick. And so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. I'm gonna open these, tell you the price, the original price on the RealReal, the price I paid, and then whatever the comparable price is to a current thing, and so the overall savings, okay? Okay, you guys, I got 3 lovely items of clothing, 2 from Hermès, 1 from Loro Piana. We're gonna talk about them real quick, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I saved like almost $3,000 on these versus paying retail, okay? So this is the first one. It's a Loro Piana shirt in like this bluish color. It's silk and cotton. This was, I'll show you. Can you see? Okay, this was listed for $295. I got it for $177. It was, you know, 40% off their price. Then Loro Piana, a similar silk and cotton shirt right now is $575 on their website. So $575 versus $177, that's a $400 savings. Well, I know it's still a lot. $177 is still a lot for a t-shirt, right? I get it, yes. But I'm saving $400. Girl math, gay math, guy math, whatever math we want to math it with. So I got it for free. And then this Hermès shirt was $165, originally $275. Okay, little pony, little the knitwork. They don't have anything similar to this on the website, but a plain t-shirt from Hermès is $430, and anything with detailing around it, work on it, like little pocket, little like accent, or it's around starts like 1,000, 1,100. So let's say 1,000. Let's say 1,000. So 1,000, and I paid. This was $275. I got it for $165. $165 minus 1,000, $800. $800 plus $400. We're at $1,200. Okay. Last thing, this, which I saw in the store. I really actually liked it. They had it in a polo. It was like maybe a year or 2 ago. They had this collection, and I saw it. I liked it. I checked the price tag. I put it back. Okay. So it was like, I think it was like 1,700 or 1,800 in the store, but this one right here, they listed it on the RealReal for $745. I got it for $223, so $223 for the sweater. And then, like I said, it was an old collection, but if we look at the current sweaters with work on them, like this one with the leather detailing is $1,700, $1,700, $1,700, $1,700, $1,700 versus, what did I just say, $200? Let's say that's a $1,500 savings, $1,500. So 1,500 plus 1,200 is 2,700, you guys. That is a bag at a lot of places. That is some investment in stocks. That is, you know, a trip. That's a trip. That's a trip, flight and hotel at a, you know, decent advanced booking in economy. If you fly economy. Just kidding. I fly economy. Don't worry. Sometimes. Savings, steals, deals. Wow. Yay, yay, yay. Love, love, love. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm so excited by these. Great deals. I really think you guys should go check it out if you haven't yet. Sustainable Saturdays, Sundays, saving the environment, saving the world, saving everyone. I love it. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with friends and family. Hate it, share with your man. I know it's valuable, and I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.